Hey, what's up guys? My name's Jay. We're back with another YouTube video. Hey, how's it going everybody? So, before we get started in the video, I want to say go check out the description below. It has all my social media and also has some discount links to FTM prosthetic website, so go check that out. And yeah, let's get on to the topic. So the topic today is going to be about, should everyone support the LGBTQ community? That's the topic for this video. So, yeah, let's get into it. Alright. So, do I think everyone should support the LGBT community? Yeah, I think everyone should support every community, yes. But no one's gonna support everything, Because I guess then people could say, oh, should everyone support the, church, the religions? No, I don't think everyone should have to support anything they don't want. I think everyone needs to be respectful, yes, to anything, whether you support religion, whether you support LGBT, whether you support anything, everyone should always be respectful. And we don't get that a lot here in the LGBTQ community. We don't get a lot of respect, I don't need your support. I got enough support in my own family, in my own little family I built. But I do need your respect, if you see me out in public and I'm trans or something, or I'm part of the community, you don't gotta yell out slurs or random shit like that. That's disrespectful, and that's when things need to stop, And it's crazy how, people think that's just so funny to do that, The LGBTQ community gets so much hate, and at the end of the day, people need to understand that you don't know what this person has been through, That could be literally their last straw. And I think people just think it's a joke, and it's so funny to make fun of someone just because you don't understand them, There's a lot of things that I don't understand in the community, But that doesn't mean I disrespect them or I don't support them, because I support everyone. Be who you are, Yes, I don't understand, but that doesn't mean I don't support you, Like non-binary, I've never had a non-binary friend, I know I just know, a little bit, non-binary people go by they, them. That's all I know, So I'm not well educated on non-binary people, but I definitely respect them and support them, and will call them by the pronouns they want to go by. It's that easy. And if I screw up, it's not because I mean to on purpose. I actually accidentally screwed up, and that's perfectly fine if people misgender people on an accident, though. But when you purposely do it, that right there is just very disrespectful. Me as a trans guy who is, I've been on my transition for a bit now, and I'm way confident in myself that, if someone did misgender me, I would probably laugh, If they purposely misgender me, and hey, ma'am, oh, you're a girl, oh, you're born a girl, so you're a girl, I would just laugh at it, because, you kind of just look dumb, But pre-T, when I wasn't as confident in my body, I hated it, and I've literally thought about things I shouldn't be thinking about. So literally any one of those times could have been my last straw, And I'm so glad I made it to I'm about 23. I made it to the age about 23. Wow, that's crazy. I never thought I'd make it this far. So that's awesome, And to anyone that is going through a lot of stuff and going through a lot of hate, just know I'm here. You can DM me at Clayton J. Reeves on Instagram. I'm here to help you because I was in that situation at one point, I didn't have family that supported me. I had a lot of disrespect because I didn't need anyone's support. At the end of the day, I just need respect. But I had a lot of disrespect until I started transitioning, looking more masculine, looking more male presented in society. And now I get mad respects. Literally all cis guys now will be like, wait, nah, you used to be a girl. Wow, no, you look amazing. I would have never guessed. Mad respects. It's okay, but why when I didn't pass, you guys would treat me like shit? It's just sad. It's sad. Why? It's because they don't want to learn. They're too scared. Their fear gets to them, and they're like, since I don't understand, instead of learning, what's easier instead of learning? Instead of learning something, just hate on it. It's easier, right? It's easier to hate. They got some insecurities on themselves, and they just want to throw it on someone else who has some insecurities. That's just how the world runs, I guess. But hey, I'm here for you guys. Everyone needs to learn to respect everyone, whether you're part of the community, whether you're not, anything, And a lot of people be like, they don't like the community because we exclude a lot of people. And that's totally not true. Do you not hear acronyms? It's LGBTQIA, and then it has a lot more after that. I just don't know them, And it's because we keep including more and more groups into our lettering that it gets so big, and people make fun of our lettering, the LGBT mafia and all that kind of stuff. But it's just because we keep including people that get excluded from other groups. Because if you actually get to know one of your LGBT friends, they're probably the most coolest, awesomest, open-minded people ever. Like, it's crazy. Like, we're so nice, and we understand that we get hated on so much that we understand how it feels, that we would never hate on someone else like that. Never. You would never see me hating like that on someone else. Anything, whether they're anything's wrong with them, Someone looks a little different than someone else, and they make fun of them, or no, we would never. Because we know how it feels. We've been made fun of. We've been bullied. I've been bullied through all of, like, middle school, high school, even after I got out of high school, because I didn't transition till the age of 19, like, medically transition till the age of 19. And I still get bullied now. I get bullied even more because I make social media. So if you want to be a social media influencer, like LGBT, like activist, anything like that, you're going to get bullied. You're going to get hated. Just know that. So it is. This is what the world is. The world's very insecure. We need to do something about that. We need to stop caring about anything. Like, we need someone to run for president, to know, like, for mental health, for people to, I don't know what we need, but we need something. People are just so insecure nowadays, and so hateful, and so just bullies, So we need to somehow fix that. That's what we need fixed in America. Because at the end of the day, like, think how amazing this world is, and things that you could do instead of just making fun of that one person right there, If you hate my content, look how easy it is to scroll. And there's content I hate. There's literally, like, priests, like, who are, like, anti-everything. But if I still see them, I'll either just pass them, or I'll even just write something down, like, ooh, nice eyes, nice hair. Whether I actually mean it or not, at least it's something nice, I always, when I scroll on TikTok, purposely comment on random people I've never seen, just nice shit, like, wow, nice video, or your hair looks really great, just little stuff like that, because at the end of the day, that's going to make them way happier. Because when I get those comments where I get, oh, nice hair, nice eyes, like, you look good, like, I like, that helps me. That's like, wow, that's awesome. But when I get haters, I mean, sometimes it might get to me, but not really, because, I mean, I've got them so much, and it's the same comments over and over and over, that at the end of the day, I just know that people are so insecure, and they need to fix themselves. But love you guys. Respect everyone. You don't have to support everyone, but you got to respect everyone. No matter their race, no matter their gender, no matter their religion. It doesn't matter. No matter their age, you got to respect them. Because at the end of the day, we're all human. We all got sent on this earth for a reason. And the reason isn't to hate on other people. The reason isn't to bash other people. The reason isn't to call them names and be like, you need God. Because if anything, you need God for calling people names. Like a lot of those religious folks in the comments. And it's like, do you understand that you're over here hating? I thought God was the only one that can hate. Or God's the only one that can judge you. So why are you judging me? Yeah. All right. Love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. Remember to respect everyone. If you want to leave some nice comments, I don't mind. Also, leave some comments of what you want me to make next. I'm trying to make more videos. I just kind of out of ideas. But yeah, love you guys. See you guys next video. Bye. Wait, before we say bye, remember to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. YouTube, we are on YouTube, but follow me. Anything. Mostly, I want to say, if you're going to follow me on anything, follow me on either YouTube or follow me on TikTok, because those are the apps I use the most. And everything will be down in the description below. Go follow me. Go check out the description below, because it has FTM discount links to some prosthetic companies. Go check that out. It helps you. It helps me. It helps the company. So yeah, love you guys. See ya.